How to add crossplay friends on GTA 5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to add friends on GTA 5 online using the Rockstar Games Social Club. Whether you're on PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into Rockstar Social Club. First, go to socialclubrockstargames.com. Sign in or create a Rockstar account if you don't have one yet. Step 2. Add a friend via website. On the Social Club homepage, click the search bar at the top. Type your friend's username or email. Open their profile and click Add Friend. Step 3. Add friends in-game. If you are on PC, press the Home key while in GTA Online. Go to the Social tab. Find your friend and send a request. If you are on console, use the Friends section on your console's menu. Make sure you're both logged into the same platform and Social Club accounts. Important: GTA 5 does not support crossplay, so your friends must be on the same platform as you. Step 4. Invite or join friends in GTA Online. Once your friend accepts, follow these steps. Open the GTA Online menu, go to Friends, then choose your friend and click Invite to Game or Join Game, like this. And that's it. This was a tutorial on how to add friends on GTA 5 Online using the Social Club. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.